మాట్లాడి.
In the last video we have seen problem on quadratic equation. Now we will see a problem on linear equation. In the quadratic equation we will be having the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and in the linear equation we will have the equation in form of ax plus by is equals to c. How we can say this as linear equation is power of x is 1, power of y is 1. In case of quadratic equation, power of x is 2. So if the highest degree of a equation is 1, then it is called as a linear equation. So let's consider one example, like 5x plus 4y is equals to 55, and we want to find how many pair of solutions that are possible for this equation. Means we need to find xy pairs, and we can take the condition as these both should be in integers and not any real numbers or not any decimal numbers. So I will add one more condition here, like 5x plus 4 mod y. This will add some tricky to the question, so we can understand this question in a brief way. Let's consider and I am also adding one more condition, like x is greater than 0. So for to solve this equation we need to go by random method only. Like if x is equals to 1, 5 into 1 plus 4 mod y is equals to 55, means 4 mod y is equals to 50, and 50 is not divisible by 4. So we will not get the value of y as integer. Integer in the sense which should be in the form of 5 or 6 or 7. These kind of numbers are called as integers. If 5.5, 6.6, these kind of numbers are called as non-integers. Okay, so if we take x is equals to 1, it is not possible. So we will take x is equals to 2. 5 into 2 plus 4 mod y is equals to 55. If we take 10 to this side, 4 mod y is equals to 45, and again 45 is also not divisible by 4. So we can take the condition as x is equals to 3. 5 into 3 plus 4 mod y is equals to 55. 15. 55 minus 15 is 40. 4 mod y is equals to 40, and mod y is equals to 10. In this case 40 is divisible by 4, so we will have y value as 10, and here we got the equation as mod y is equals to 10. Mod y is equals to 10 means, I am arranging this one, mod y is equals to 10 means y is equals to 10 or minus 10. These both values are possible, and x is equals to 3. So total how many pairs are possible here? X is equals to 3 comma 10 and 3 comma minus 10. These two pairs are possible if x is equals to 3. If x is equals to 4, again substitute in the equation. 5 into 4 plus 4 into mod y is equals to 55. So if we remove 20 from the 55, 35. 35 is not divisible by 4. So there will be no integer solution possible here. And again similarly 5 into 5. 25 plus 4 into mod y is equals to 55. And again 55 minus 25 is 30. So 30 is not divisible by 4. So here also integer solutions are not possible. And again 5 into 6. By the time here you should be understanding one point. If we multiply 5 with an even integer, we will be getting a digit of ending with 0. So if we remove the digit ending with 0 from 55 means there will be a 5 remaining in the digit. So anyway 5 will be not divisible by 4. So we in this case also we will be not getting the integer solution. And take 5 x as 7 plus 4 mod y is equals to, remove 35 from the 55, then how much we will get? 20, means 20 is divisible by 4. So we can get 4 mod y is equals to 20 and mod y is equals to 5. And here we can have two values, 5 comma minus 5. When x is equals to 7, we will get two values, 5 comma minus 5. How many solutions are possible? 3 comma 10 and 3 comma minus 10 and 5 comma 7 comma 5 and 7 comma minus 5. So up to here totally 4 pairs are possible. And similarly you can go to the x is equals to as we discussed, if x is an even number, we will be not getting integer values for the y. So we can remove that cases. We can directly go to the x is equals to 9 and 5 into 9 plus 4 mod y is equals to 55. In this case, so 45. 55 minus 45 is 10. And again mod y is not an integer. So this is this case also will be ruled out. And the last one is 5 into 10 plus 4 mod y is equals to 55. Yeah, here also y is not an integer because y is not 4 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible by 4. Mod y is equals to 5 by 4. This is not an integer. If we take x is equals to 11 and find out the value for 5 y means we will get the y value as 0 because 5 into 11 means 55. 55 minus 55 is 0. Then we will get the value for y is 0. So 11 comma 0 is another possible solution. Now what are the three possible solutions that we discussed? Total 5 possible solutions are there. One is when x is equals to 3, y value is 10 comma minus 10, and another one is 7 when x is equals to 7, y is equals to 5 comma minus 5, 7 comma 5 and 7 comma minus 5. Yeah, these are the 5 possible solutions for this equation. We can take the x value as negative as well, but in the question condition what we have taken, x is always greater than 0. So we need to consider only positive values for the x. So these 5 are solutions for this equation. But in the exam point of view, you need to be very careful. You need to not take 5 or 6 minutes to solve this question. So you need to be very fast in the solving this question. So you need to have this idea, like if we multiply 5 with an even integer means we will be getting the value as 0. Ending value of number is 0. And this type of small tricks you need to remember and solve the question below 2 minutes. Yeah.